Section 4.3, the Chinese remainder theorem. Let us consider the following sequence of congruences, where M1, M2, and so on, MR are pairwise relatively prime positive integers. Pairwise means if we pick any two numbers here, these two numbers are relatively prime. The Chinese remainder theorem says that this system of congruences has a unique solution modular M1 times M2 times and so on times MR. Now, there is an explicit formula for the solution of this system. However, I prefer a step-by-step process that I discuss over here. So, here's a system. Indeed, one can check that the numbers 5, 6, and 7 are pairwise relatively prime. Therefore, by this theorem, our system has a unique solution modular 5 times 6 times 7 modular 210. How do we find this solution? Here is the procedure. Step 1. Equation number 1 means the following. X is equal to 5t plus 1. In other words, this is a complete description of all solutions of this congruence. Here is what we do next. Or replace x in the second congruence by this expression. Done. Subtract 1 from both sides. Done. And then find all solutions of this congruence. Note that this congruence has a unique solution because 5 and 6 are relatively prime. The easiest way to find a particular solution of this, a particular in our case means all solutions because 5 and 6 are relatively prime. In order to find a particular and therefore all solutions of this congruence, one way to do it is to plug in numbers from 0 to 5 instead of t. 0 does not work, 1 does not work, and so on. However, 5 does work because 5 times 5 is 25, minus 1, 24 is divisible by 6. So, these are all solutions of this congruence. Note that since t is congruent to 5 modular 6, t is of the form 6u plus 5. Now, let us go back to this. Let us replace t by this expression. Done. Expand parentheses, simplify, done. So, this x satisfies both congruence number 1 and congruence number 2. But now congruence number 3. So, repeat same procedure or replace x in congruence number 3 by this expression. Done. Subtract 26 from both sides. Done. And then plug in numbers from 0 to 6 instead of u. It turns out that a particular solution of this is 6. So U is 7V plus 6. Lastly, or replace U over here by this expression. Done. Expand parentheses, simplify, done. What is written here means X is congruent to 206 modulo 210. So, in short, in order to find the solution of this, first describe all solutions of this, done. Then describe all solutions of this, done. And lastly, describe all solutions of this, done.